Mr. Humboldt-Hippy on going off the path. You can see this open clearing here is where I came off the path. Remember, every time your life is in danger, you have no idea how quickly you can lose one valley. Start walking up this ridge, looking for that rare exotic bird. Or plant, and end up walking right off a ridge. But sometimes these things have to be done. Otherwise, you'll never find rare exotic flowers that are only in this area. Or birds with totally red heads and yellow chests. But if you try and walk down this, I don't know if I'll make it. This is an extremely steep hill right here. And I just saw a bird that I've never seen before. It has a totally red head, yellow chest. And it flew over to that tree, which is just right there, which is just about 50 yards straight down this here mountain in the pouring rain in the wilderness. And to get back to point A, your life is on the line. Just standing where I'm standing right now, can start sliding down this hill. Just no one's ever going to hear you. You know, do not wander off the path. Nice rainy day. End up living out here. You better have good survival skills. Peace.